Everyone, I wanted to get on here. I was super excited. The UPS guy brought me my skinny syrups and sauces. So I thought I would do my unboxing with you. So let's see what it looks like. This is how it came. All right. Okay. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. Peanut butter cup. And this is Jordan's Skinny Syrups. So check them out on their website. And this is the Jordan Skinny Syrup Salted Caramel. And these are naturally sweetened. So they have these that I'm not sure, there must be some sort of sweetener in these. But the ones that are naturally sweetened are not supposed to have anything in them. So I thought I would give those a try. And then I got a couple of pumps. Got 2 of them. All right. Ooh, I got this for my water. Mermaid water. So I've been hearing a lot about mermaid water on TikTok, and you just add this to your water and it makes it taste really good. So you can actually add it to cocktails, water, tea, and more. So I'm also excited about trying that. You guys will get to see that. And I have cookie dough. Can't wait. All right, what else did I get? Okay, another naturally sweetened syrup, and I got the chocolate mocha. All right, and ooh, I'm making a mess. Okay, I think we can get the box out of the way now. These here. Those. So excited about these. Okay, and then these are the sauces that I've been waiting for. So I got the dark chocolate espresso and the salted caramel, and I can't wait to put these in some recipes and on top of my protein coffee. So there they are. That's my haul. And again, these are the Jordan's Skinny Syrups and Sauces. Go check them out. I already have the salted caramel in the syrup, and it's really tasty and yummy, and I'm loving it in my coffee. So I can't wait to try these. And of course, I'll take you guys along. See you later.